Hello students, it's me Babita Das, PGT Geography of Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Chabua. Today I am going to teach the second chapter of class 9th Geography, that is the physical features of India. Children, do you know that India is a very diverse country, whether I consider the physical aspect or the cultural aspect? It has variety in both physical and cultural features. So, all the major physical features of the earth, like your mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, islands, these are found in India. So, India is having a rich physical variety. It is having all the major landforms right from north to south, east to west. It is very diverse in terms of physiography. As I said you, it is having mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and as well as islands. Children, so let me first of all explain you might be thinking what is the difference between this mountain and plateau. Children, please see this picture. Do you see mountains and do you see plateau? Please try to identify the difference. Mountains are having steep slope, is not it? But plateau on the other side, you can see it is having a flat top. It may be also having a great height like your plateau of Tibet, which is called the roof of the world. But its top is always flat. But mountain may be also not very high, but the thing that make it mountain is its steepness. You will find that its top is always steeper. Is it clear? It will always a conical one. And the plain, as I said you before, that it is a flat leveled land. It is of lower height. It is only few meter higher than the sea level. So these are the three major landforms, that is mountain, plains and plateaus, and India is a country that is having all the three major landforms. So let us divide India into the major physiographic units. What are these, you see children? The first one is your northern mountains. Number one, that is painted or shaded in dark brown color. This whole is the northern mountains. It includes the great Himalayas. Okay, from northwest to northeast, it is extending the great Himalaya. Okay, and it can be divided into three parts, that is the greater Himalaya, lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks. And eastern part also you can say that this is a part of Himalaya. Many of you may not be aware that even the northeast India is having a part of Himalayan mountains. No doubt it is not snow covered like that of the Himalayan portion of Jammu and Kashmir, but this is part and partial of your Himalayan mountain. Number two, you see children, below the Himalayas, we have the Great Plain. It is a flat leveled land that has been formed due to the deposition of sediments that were brought down by the river coming from the Himalayas. Many rivers it originated in the Himalayan mountains and they brought large number of sediments. In fact, they are bringing today also. So they are deposited in this fault, in this gap that was created between the Himalayan mountain and the peninsular plateau. This got filled with the sediments and it leads to the formation of the northern plains. Third, children, you can see on the northwestern part we have the desert, the Thar desert, and the fourth portion, which is the oldest part of India, that is the peninsular plateau. The fifth one, can you see children, the dark green color portion surrounding the orange color portion, this is your coastal area. Coastal area means the area that is located near the sea. And we have two islands, two group of island. Six, can you see on the right hand side, it is your Andaman and Nicobar Island, and on the left hand side it is your Lakshadweep Island. So children, do you know that different physiographic unit of India has been formed in different period? For example, as I said, peninsular plateau is the oldest one. Okay, this plateau has been formed among all the major landforms. This was formed in the initial stage. So this is the oldest portion. This is the stable table land. And after that, Himalaya has been formed. Himalaya is therefore called young fold mountain, as it has been formed due to the folding of the crustal rocks. And next, after Himalaya, as we have seen, the rivers bringing down the sediments from the Himalaya, they have deposited in this plain, and the North Indian plain was formed. Okay, so different parts of India was formed in different geological periods. So you might be thinking that what is this peninsula? Children, peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water from three sides. Any land which is surrounded by water from three sides is called peninsula. If you see India, you can see that the southern portion of India is surrounded by sea from water bodies from three sides. On the east we have Bay of Bengal, on the south we have Indian Ocean, and on the west we have the Arabian Sea. Now you see, children, so this is a landmass surrounded by water from three sides. You can see from the northern portion it is connected by land, and those land which is surrounded by water from all the side, these are called islands. You got my point? And all the water bodies that is surrounded by land from all the side, that is called lake. So they don't get confused between the peninsula, lake and islands. Children, the next part is your theory of plate tectonic. This theory says that the earth has been made up of many plates, 12 major plates and many minor plates. Okay, earth is nothing but this is a combination of the crustal portion of the earth is a combination of different plates. What are these? North American plate, South American plate, number 3 African plate, number 4 Eurasian plate, number 5th is the Indo-Australian plate, number 6th is your Antarctic plate, and the next one, last one is your the Pacific plate. Children, we will study about this plate movement in my next video. I am going to explain you in detail. Till then, take care. Thank you.